All right, so the first thing we're going to do is let's open our terminal. And I've got a mkdir, make directory file. And if I go over here and I do that, it's going to make a directory called project files. And if I press ls, here is the project files directory right now. And if I change the directory and go into project files, let's see. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm doing that right. Nope. There we go. Now I'm in the directory of project files. So if I press ls to list something, there's nothing in here. There's nothing in this directory. And I can see what this directory is. If I click here, I can see that project files is this folder right here, and there's nothing in it. That's all I'm doing. So now I changed the directory into project files. Now, if I want to make a directory of reports, data, and scripts, I can just put that in right there. And now if I list it, I can see I have reports, data, and scripts inside of the project files directory. And if I go here, I can see project files and the 3 directories inside of that. Do you understand so far what we're doing?
You went a little fast, but I know what you're doing because I did it in the ACIP lab a lot.
Okay. And
Copying and
I want to give you the, let me go ahead and do it. I'm going to give you the link.
right.
Oh, I put it in the chat here. If you see, can you see this chat?
On the side, yep. Let me right here. Right.
And if you
So,
have a 2 monitor setup, um, you can put that in the other monitor
okay.
and just follow along
I'll
that
just
way as
save
well.
it. File, download.
Oh,
PDF.
if you download that as a PDF, it's only going to download, I think, that specific
Oh,
page. And these are just notes that they
yeah.
change all the time. So if it were me, I would just put the URL up in like my bookmarks folder or something because
Yeah.
these will change periodically.
Those.
So I'm just going to move along here. Mm.
Okay. Yep.
If I want to clear this screen because there's too much stuff on it, I can type in clear. And uh, let's see right here, navigate into a subdirectory to create a new file with a specific naming convention, such as go to CD reports. Oh, so this is if I have to
And
remember,
to clear it first, or
no, I have to remember that
Mhm.
it's capitalized. See, because if I put in
The
CD
naming
reports,
convention.
yeah, the naming convention, because if they're all capitalized or all lowercase, it's going to help me.
Just in
So,
city.
uh-huh. So that one's capitalized. So maybe I'll work on changing that to a lowercase later. But right now we're there. So let's go ahead and create a file with a naming convention. So you know what? Let's not make it lowercase. Let's keep it because our naming convention right now is that everything is capitalized for whatever reason. So so we're going to make a project report, and project report will be capitalized. Okay, so what we just did, we created a file inside of reports. So if I did this right here, there's the file, right? It's inside of reports. But I want to go over here and I want to create another file. And let me go back. So now I'm in project files. If I go like this, I will see data, reports, and scripts. If I go into data, uh-oh, what did I do? If I go into data, now I'm in the data file, as you can see right there. And inside of the data file, I want to create this file called something CSV, raw data CSV. So that is now inside of the data file. And if I go to, let me look, the scripts file. Now I'm inside of the scripts file, but I can see there's nothing in there. So I want to create a file called this. And now it's inside of the scripts file. And I can see that if I press LS, I can see it. And I can also see it if I click here and I go to project files. I can see data, reports, and scripts. In each one of these, here's the file called raw data. Here's the file's project report and data summary. And here is the. Okay, have a great day there, Christy. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. It's not to know this entire string, it's just to understand what I'm looking at. So what did I do wrong here? Oh, I can't move.
It says no such file or directory.
Okay, let me think. Okay, so
If you're moving, like data to clear data.csv, right?
yeah, let me get it up here. Okay. What did I type in wrong? Sorry. Okay, so I want to move. I want to rename. I don't want to move. I want to rename. All right, here's where ChatGPT comes into play.
Rename would be
I mean, that's sorry.
that's okay.
I need to rename this. And that's why ChatGPT is a big help because not only does it show you what to do, it shows you how to do it and tells you why. Okay, so to rename this to this, not in Python, hang on. Sometimes you got to be, because I use it for Python a lot. Now let me try it. Okay, then what did I do wrong? Okay, so move. I know why. I know why. Okay. Okay, so I am inside of the data file. I can't put the data there. I'm inside that file. So let me do this. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing?
If you put like those date you have in those
Uh-huh.
names, I would suggest you to keep the name simpler, that way you know exactly it's not that there's an issue with the name. It's just like for you when you're going over stuff, not to be confused about it.
Yeah, I
It's the
agree.
same. It's same. Let's say using that specific command for what and the command does this and that.
So
So
let's put that into some play here. So we're going to
mhm,
change So we've got the clean data file. So we're going to change this to just to lowercase. Right? Is that right? I think.
Let me see.
MV, then the date, cleaned data CSV, this one right here, to cleaned data CSV without the date. I want to try it. So now let's list it. There it is. Okay, so now if that's the case, this is going to be simple then.
It says project, report, clean data.
And then we want to do the other one. Project. What was it? .txt. Oh, no. What did I do? I'm sorry. I wasn't looking. Project report. .txt. To just all lowercase project report. So now we've cleaned all of this that was very complex down to clean data and project report.
Go back to let me ask you, the command make a directory, which is the mkdir, right? When you put that and you created like report data and script, those three directory was like the three folders that you created together, right? At once. Okay, good.
Yeah, I just because if I wanted to create make directory and then type in that, it would have created that folder too.
Okay, so yeah, I got it.
It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, however many.
Yeah, how many whatever folder. If you want to create like 4 or 5 folders, you can put put all of them at the same line. Okay, great.
Yes. Okay.
So this is technically you put like a 5 command, right? You put like the mkdir, touch, move, ls, and cp, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. There we go. This is what we're going. This is all the. Right now we're on this.
Move.
And now we're going to go to copies list, deletes, and then deletes the directory. So how much time you got? You got another 10 minutes?
Oh, like what you mean? No, I don't have anything.
Okay.
Unless somebody come up right there, but I don't know you. If we have to go over everything, let's go.
Okay. So copy files. Now we want to copy files. So to copy a file from one directory to another, we creating a duplicate. Creating a duplicate. Copy a file from one directory to another, creating a duplicate. Okay, so let's try that. For example, copy this file from scripts to reports using this command. Let's take that.
cp script.
Got it. So we're copying scripts with this date. We're in data. Is that going to work? Let's just try it. No? Okay, what did we do wrong?
Okay, go back to see where we at. Go to the actual main directory, which is not the file, just ls. Okay.
Oh,
ls.
Sorry.
No, ls.
Okay.
Okay. We this is we are in project files, right? In project file we have data, we have report, and we have script. What we're going to do is just like copy data processing from script to report, right?
Right.
Okay. If we go inside report,
Okay, one second, one second,
You said we're going in like from script to report. Go inside script. We'll see what like what we have.
Okay. All
CD.
Right. And then script.
Script.
Okay, now we're inside script.
Okay, list script. Okay, inside script we have data processing, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to copy that and put it where?
Let's put it inside of to follow this. Put it inside of reports.
Okay, so now your CP, blah blah blah, data processing, into report. That's the way the command should be, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, CP, blah blah blah. Okay, good.
Okay, to reports.
We're good
and I think
now,
that's
right?
just going to be ports. I think it's going to be like that. Let me
Okay,
look.
go ahead.
All right, so now let's
LS, like us.
But we just copy. Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Well,
LS.
no, I'm not
Okay,
in there yet.
let me tell you. Okay, you inside report taking like data processing from script to report.
Okay, so
Now you have to go inside like a report.
okay, so it didn't take.
Mm-hmm.
So let's try it again. Let me scroll up here and find out what happened. So I was trying to copy this to reports.
Mm-hmm.
What did I do?
The way to think about it, we copying like one folder from one folder to another.
Okay.
Right? Mm-hmm. So the folder we're copying is inside report, right?
Yes.
Okay. It says, copy data processing. Okay. We copying data processing from script.
I'm sorry, the what we're copying is inside of scripts.
It's inside script, and we're going to take that script and put it in a report.
Correct.
So okay, CP data processing, and from what? From script.
From scripts to reports.
Where's the from?
Right here. Hang on. I think.
Project script. No. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I think.
Okay. Copy from script, data processing, and put it inside report.
Right.
Okay, that's it.
Let me try. Let me see what happens. All right. Let's see.
Oh,
okay. Perfect.
Yeah, just do ls.
Yep. Okay. Now let's.
We have to get cd inside, like reports.
There we go.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
And it's right there. Okay. So. Okay.
If you want to move that file, like to some other place, you can do that.
So the reason that it wasn't working in the first place is I don't know, because I'd have to rewind the video and find out. Okay, so anyways, it's in the correct spot. It's in reports.
Yeah.
So let's go to reports. Oh, we're inside reports, and then we just ls reports, and there it is. So we verify that it's in there. Okay, perfect. Got through that one. All right. I'm gonna clear everything.
It's like this is the way to think about this stuff. It's like the same way you're clicking with the mouse. Let's say if you have a bunch of folders inside your computer and your documents library, and you just go and copy like something and move it to the other one, you organize them, blah blah blah. And the only thing we do is just to make sure that we use the syntax of the command properly. And doing
that's what I couldn't figure out the syntax there for a minute, because when I tried, which was this, which is the correct syntax, wasn't working. So I'm at the wrong place. There we go. ls
-r.
And the R shows recursively. So we're going to see this. Let's see here. Let me do this. Data report scripts. Okay. Let me back up one. Now let's try that. There we go. Okay, so now we see what's inside data reports and scripts, and we can verify with the right here, and we can see everything is the same in there because that's all we're doing, moving files around. Notice the subdirectories.
It's like, as you said, recursively, you know, like it shows you the what you have inside every single folder.
It does. So let's remove it. Prepare for removal by pressing clear. It gives us a clean screen. And let's just make sure all the way home. We're at home because we can see this little thing here that just tells us we are at home at the tilde. And if we list the files, we can see all of our files. So we're going to go remove everything inside project files. And the R option should tell the remove to delete the directories and everything inside there. So we're going to click OK.
Clear or remove all file and directory created in the lab.
It'll remove everything.
Oh, okay. Is that the R directory and all its content? Okay.
So now we don't have the directory project files, nor do we have anything that was inside of project files, including all of the subdirectories.
Oh, you clean everything.
Cleaned everything. So be careful when you're using this because there's no way to go back and re-get it. As far as I know, other people may know things more than me that it may be in there somewhere, but as of right now, I don't know a way to do that. So we can verify removal by, using ls like we just said. And here are the commands that we talked about today, which are more than I knew when I started this. So on the next lab, I think that we should study some of this stuff, which is file system fundamentals in Linux. Of course, we'll use L and LS, but we'll also use the change mode, change owner, and using various numbers for permission levels. It kind of looks like this, so we'll know kind of what all of this means, and we can go change the read-write permissions of different files and things like that.